Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn the notification bell on and share the video. Well, in this video, we're looking at Harbor Freight, their house brand of tape measures, Pittsburgh. I have one that's a 30-foot, 1-inch diameter tape measure, and another that's a 25-foot, 1-inch diameter tape measure. Well, this 30-foot, I just warrantied it out yesterday, and it's brand new one. I just warrantied it out yesterday at the store because all their Pittsburgh tools, no matter what, if it's Pittsburgh brand, have a lifetime warranty. So you take it back to any Harbor Freight, whether you have the receipt or not, and you could exchange it for the same product. Well, the one that broke on me, the spring in there got worn out. It was a 30-footer. Well, I noticed this 30-footer, nowhere on this tape measure does it say made in China. And this is the one I just warrantied out yesterday at my local Harbor Freight. Well, this 25-footer, haven't had to warranty it out yet, but they all wear down. They eventually don't want to retract as good, and this one I eventually warrantied out because, as you can see there, I was just pulling it out with my thumb. It's starting to get real slow at retracting. But on this one, it says right there, China. Obviously, the whole thing's made in China, not just this clip. Well, and that's my question. Obviously their old stuff, excuse me, all their old stuff, and pretty much all their Pittsburgh, I'm assuming, was made in China, at least when Harbor Freight went into business about 25 years ago. But my question is, their new products, which seem to be better quality than how they was, like I said, definitely 15 years ago. You go to the store now and buy, a set of screwdrivers. The quality of them that they are now versus, 10, 15 years ago is much better. Well, my question is their new and improved Pittsburgh, products and tools, are they still made in China? Because, as I said, this one, nowhere on this tape measure does it say made in China. You extend the tape all the way out, 30 foot, and all at the end it says stop and whatnot. It doesn't say made in China anywhere on it. So that's my question to you all. Is Harbor Freight Tools, their Pittsburgh brand, are they still made in China? Like I said, I know their original, like I said, when Harbor Freight opened up in business all them years ago, their Pittsburgh brand is all made in China. But is their new, Pittsburgh line of tools, the improved quality, supposedly, according to their advertising, are they still made in China? Or are some of their things, maybe like tape measures, made in the USA? Or like maybe their locks, which maybe they're made by Master Lock, which is the world's largest lock manufacturer, and one of their largest distribution centers actually is located right here in my hometown of Louisville, Kentucky. But, are their locks made in China also, or are they made by Master Lock? Well, that's my question again with their tape measures and their Pittsburgh line of tools. Are they still made in China? Let me know down there in the comments, guys, if you all have any idea of, like I said, if their new line of tools on the Pittsburgh brand, that they improved brand, supposedly, are they still made in China? If you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Also, like I said, comment down below and let me know your all's thoughts on Harbor Freight Tools. Are they still made in China? Comment, let me know, and I'll reply to you. Share the video, ask your friends, and let's get an answer on this once and for all. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day.